Let's learn Arabic alphabets. First one is Ain. Ain sound A. Next one is ghayn. Ghayn sound is Ga. Next, letter writing. First one Ain. First curve is on the line and next curve is going to down. Letter is Ain. Ain sound A. Ain sound A. First curve on the line, next curve go to down. Okay. Next letter is ghayn. Ghayn sound Ga. First write Ain, then put one dot on top. This is the letter ghayn. Ghayn sound Ga. Ga. First write Ain, first curve on the line and next curve goes to down and put one dot on top. Ghayn. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.